Hello students. So today the question that is given to us says that what are the two ways of obtaining fish, or what you can say the capturing the fish, and what is the major problem faced in fish farming, and how you can, or how the farmers can actually overcome it, like the people who are actually farming the fish. Now talking about the first answer, the two ways of obtaining the fish are, the first is capturing the fishes directly, and the second is the culturing the fish, or you can say the fish farming. Okay, so now if I talk about capturing the fish, so this is like you are doing the fishing in the river, or you are doing the fishing in the sea as well. Like in any way you are capturing the fishes at the end. So the method could be anything, or the water body could be anything. It could be lake as well, it could be any other water body where you are getting the fish or where you're capturing the fish. Whereas if you talk about the culturing the fish or the fish farming, which is like very specific type of a fish that you want to culture it or that you want to farm it, so that is also there. So like such culturing of fish are called mariculture as well, or it is also known as pisciculture as well. Okay, and at the end, as I said, what you are doing, you are trying to culture the fish. Okay, you are not trying to capture it, you are trying to culture it so that there will be no decline of the number as well, and also its availability. Okay, so these are the two ways of obtaining the fishes. Now the second question says that, as you can see, like what are the major problem that one face in fish farming and how it can be removed. So the major problem that one has to face in the fish farming is the fish seed. So now you know how to culture it, but the thing is how you will get the seed continuously. Okay, seed means the organism. Okay, the number of fish that is required in order to actually farm it, because you have to provide the fish for the food purposes or whatever the purposes for which you are farming it is there as well. So how come you are maintaining that? Okay, so that is the one major problem with it, because without a reliable source of healthy fish fry, the fish farmers might struggle to maintain constant production levels. And the reason is, once the fishes are like what you can say, they have gone through the breeding season, no? So that changes the quality within the fishes. So that is another important factor that one has to taken care of when they are doing the fish farming. So that is why what they do is they will keep the certain portion separated. So those portion of the fishes will simply allow to fertilize, allow to breed, so that you can get the what you can say, fish fry, the healthy fish fry, which will further be utilized for the another culturing, or you can say another phase of farming. And that's how they are keep on continuing the same thing. Now another thing is, since you are culturing it, so there is no natural way, there is an artificial. Okay, so sometimes what happens is the fishes are not being able to breed properly, or they are not being able to understand their breeding season. So in such cases, what you do the controlled breeding as well, where you will give the certain hormones which are required by the fishes to go through the breeding season or go through the breeding process. So you give that process, and that's how you can actually get the healthy fish fry as well. And such process is called hypophysis. Okay, so this is one of the process, I can say, through which you can actually utilize the what you can say, this major problem of having a, or like doing a fish farming as such. I hope this will help you. Thank you.